Hello friend, how are you? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the template watermark in CapCut. And this video is for the year 2025. So I've installed CapCut for you guys and TikTok as well. Let's move on to today's video. Simply, you need to use CapCut, and the other thing is that this method works in both. You see, I currently have an iPhone, so if you have an Android brother, it's even easier. So what do you need to do now? Start a new project. Go into settings and give it full access. Next, you need to come here. This is just any video that I've exported. Now imagine you have to export this. Click on export and now it is exporting. Just a minute, now it's written. Share to TikTok. There are two videos. One is this one that you're looking at, which does not have any watermark because it's without CapCut, so you can see that as well. You can do it. You see that there is no watermark on it. So kindly subscribe and like.